News 5, leading the way.
The man who is now admitting he opened fire on Fountain Square and hit two people inside has turned himself in over to police. Thanks for joining us here at 4 o'clock. I'm Cherie Porello.
And I'm Ashley Kirkland. The shooting was caught on security video. The man was in court today to face those charges, but his attorney is saying this is not what it seems to be on the surface. WLWT News 5's Brian Hamrick is live with the latest from court. And Brian, you dug into this man's criminal history. What did you find?
Well, the man admits, Ashley, that he pulled the trigger. His attorney said so today, so it's not a matter of did they get the right guy. It's a matter whether or not he was justified.
Ferguson's first case.
Shaquille Ferguson, 24, appeared in court for arraignment this morning. He turned himself over to police last night. He's charged with felonious assault, improper discharge of a firearm, and having weapons under disability, which means he was already ordered not to have a gun. Now, the Fountain Square shooting was caught on video just outside the City Bird. Ferguson hit two people, both survived, but this wasn't the only accusation that he has used a gun. He's also charged in a Northside shooting where a man was hit and injured. Now, that was October 11th. Fountain Square was October 13th. Add to that a charge in July for an attack on a Metro bus where he pistol whipped a victim. He pleaded guilty to that assault charge. Now, there was a debate over bond.
The defendant is demonstrating his violent proclivities consistently over a period of several years.
This case is a case of self-defense. I know it happened on Fountain Square, the cherry jewel of Cincinnati, but that is not a factor in Ohio Revised Code regarding sentencing.
Yeah, now Ferguson's attorney you heard from there, Clyde Bennett, says this was all self-defense. Now, the Judge Jackie Giannacchio, said, listen to both sides and wanted to hear what they had to say. So Bennett wanted about $150,000 bond set. Prosecutors asked for $1.5 million, but the judge heard it all and said $2.6 million, more than $1 million than even the prosecutors asked for. So that's a very high bond, especially in a case where the person is not charged with murder. Reporting live, Brian Hamrick, WLWT.
Now, Brian, why do investigators think that Ferguson is connected to both shootings?
Yeah, well, they were able to collect the shell casings in both that Northside case and in the Fountain Square shooting, and they were able to match those, so they know that same gun was used in both of those cases. Ashley?
All right, Brian Hamrick reporting live for us. Thanks so much, Brian. Well, a new week.